Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze with the gold with the CPI data. So this is for our chart gold. You can see this move has dropped to 3 move. This is the first move and the second move, and already moved three times in the drop side. This is the technical picture, and see that this level yellow white color line 1913 1912 level is the best buy zone for gold. That is the technically picture in gold. So I am going to analyze with the 10th August CPI data. How is the going to with the gold trading with this important economic event USA CPI data? So this is the previous CPI is the 3%, is the Fed is expected 3.3% is expected is will increase CPI yearly is that is the expectation. So I am going to analyze with the CPI data how to trade gold. So expected figure is the 3.3, actual will be 3.3 or above. That is that will increase CPI data inflation report, and that will help to rate hike hawkish from Fed, and that will affect to so gold will be sell off. So that is the CPI data 3.3 or above. That is will Fed is going to the hawkish and increase rate hike again and gold drop again. That's my first opinion with the CPI data. Then is the another one is the CPI data inflation report will be dropped to the below 3%. 3% or the 2.9 2.8 is will be actual figure. That is the inflation report will be dropped, and that is the interest rate pause in Fed is will be continuing, and that is the interest rate post Fed will be continuing again FOMC meeting September. So that is will dollar sell off and gold will be buy from this zone like this. So that is the my another option is the how to trade gold with the CPI data report. So there are two options. So CPI actual figure, so yearly figure is 3.3 or above, that will help to gold dropped sell off. So then CPI data inflation report will be 3% or drop to 2.98 like that. That is the dollar depreciate sell off, and gold will be demand from this buy zone. So that's the two options how to trade with the CPI data report 10th August inflation report. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below, how to trade accurate signals with the CPI data report. So thank you.